New York Style Pepperoni Pizza. Thin crust, crispy pepperoni, made right here.
Hey y'all, love my street tacos? Now get ready, New York Pepperoni Pizza. Here are every single ingredient you need for New York pizza. That's why we buy extra. Yeast proofing in warm water. Those bubbles mean it is alive and ready. Flour, activated yeast, salt, olive oil. Knead that dough 8 to 10 minutes. Whew. Smooth and elastic is perfect. Cover it and let that dough rise for 1 full hour. Punch down that risen dough. Look at how perfectly it has doubled. San Marzano tomatoes with garlic, oregano, fresh basil. Oh, the perfect pizza sauce. Sauce simmered perfect, deep red, thick, and absolutely incredibly delicious. Stretch that dough from the center out. Have it thin crust New York style. Pizza stone at 500 degrees. We need it screaming hot for 45 minutes. San Marzano sauce spread from center out. Leave that crust rim bare. Whole milk mozzarella layered generously. That cheese pull will be legendary. Pepperoni layered from edge to edge. Woo! Those crispy cups are pure perfection. Pizza launches onto the screaming hot stone, 8 minutes to perfection. Look at those pepperoni cups forming, and that cheese is bubbling perfectly. Erica, look at this. Out of the oven nest to leopard crust, perfect cups, golden cheese, perfection. Rest 3 minutes before cutting. Up. Hardest 3 minutes of Chef Snowpaw's life.
That cheese pull, New York Style Pepperoni Pizza is pure perfection.
New York fold-a-dog is pure, absolute pizza heaven. Fresh basil and a drizzle of olive oil piece, the perfect New York finish.
8 perfect New York pizza slices. From above, it is absolutely stunning.
Full New York pepperoni pizza plated beautifully, restaurant quality right here. 3 perfect New York pepperoni slices plated and ready for America.
New York Style Pepperoni Pizza slice. Oh, thin, crispy, and breathtakingly perfect. New York Style Pepperoni Pizza Cup, made with love for all of America. Thank you, y'all.
If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, America.